The 4-Hour Chef by Tim Ferriss is not really about cooking. It's about learning how to learn. Ferriss uses cooking as the vehicle to teach accelerated learning, breaking down complex skills into manageable steps you can master quickly. The core idea is that you don't need years to become good at something. By finding the right framework, identifying the most important basics, and practicing them deliberately, you can pick up new skills fast. Ferriss calls this meta-learning, and he shows how it applies not just to cooking, but to anything: languages, sports, business. What's fun about this book is that it's packed with experiments. Tim learns to cook from scratch, but also dives into survival skills, hunting, and even learning how to shoot an arrow accurately in days. All to prove that rapid learning is possible with the right approach. The takeaway? Stop overcomplicating things. Focus on the 20% that delivers 80% of the results, practice smart, and don't be afraid to look silly at first. If you like learning new things and want a system to get better at anything fast, this book is a goldmine. A playful, practical, and surprisingly inspiring read.